What's up you guys, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be replacing the spark plugs on this 2008 Infiniti EX35. Before working on the car, let the engine cool down. Remove 5 10mm engine cover bolts. Remove the 10mm air intake housing mounting bolt. Unplug the mass airflow sensor harness and connector. Use an angle needle nose plier to remove the hose clamps from the air intake boot. Use a 5/16 socket to loosen the hose clamps. Loosen 2 spring clips from the air filter housing. Remove the air intake housing. Remove the air intake boot to gain access to the ignition coils. You might want to consider replacing the intake boots at this time, since it's common for them to crack and break. Disconnect the ignition coil plug connector. They're snug tight, but you should be able to get them off with your fingers. Remove the 10mm bolt. Use a 14mm magnet socket, an extension with a swivel head, and a ratchet to remove the spark plugs. The recommended spark plugs to use in this engine are Denso Iridium. These come pre-gapped and ready to be installed. Hand tighten the spark plugs by hand and then use a ratchet to snug tight the spark plug or torque at 20 foot-pounds. Add a dab of dielectric grease on the ignition coil and reinstall. To reach the other 2 spark plugs, you have to remove the throttle body. Unplug the connector. Unscrew 4 hex bolts. Follow the same procedure and remove the spark plugs. On the left side of the engine, or passenger side, the procedure is very similar, except for removing this 10mm mounting bolt. You'll also have to unplug the PCV hose, and when you remove the throttle body, rest it on the back of the motor. And that's it, you're done. If you guys found this video helpful, hit that like button. Thanks for watching, you guys. Late.